All right, Rob Fraser here. Wanted to share this resource for the folks in E1U Life. One of the super affiliates, Garrett Barry, has put together a very solid and sound membership site. It's free. However, you do have to be an active E1U Life member, and you can become an E1U Life member for a one-time whopping $30. And with this, you basically get everything you need to know to make money with an affiliate program and getting traffic. These are different things Garrett, which is a proven super affiliate, does. This is basically a snippet of the back office of his membership site. Again, it's free if you're an E1U Life member. I highly suggest, number one, becoming an E1U Life member, and number two, creating your account here. So if you're watching this video and you join E1U Life through my link, I will send you the link so you can set up your free account here. Or if you want to go join Garrett Barry, go join him, but he's basically going to tell you the same thing, which is create your free membership here and then go through the information here. So again, that being said, you can get access. Link will be in the description of this video. Again, finding a high-ticket affiliate program, obviously he recommends E1U Life. Formula for your first $2,000 online, getting tons of free traffic, getting tons of paid traffic, and your next step. He lays it all out, and he's a proven super affiliate. So that being said, grab it or not. Grab it from me. I highly suggest grabbing it from me. But if not, go grab it from him. It's all the same. Link is in the description. We'll see you in the next one.